नवसृजित सारियो प्रखंड के गणेशपुर पंचायत के गणेशपुर गांव में आपका स्वागत है। Today we are visiting Ganeshpur village school, which is 38 kilometers away from main Taru city, under Barwadih block, Latehar district, state Jharkhand. And this school is run by the Catholic Church of Daltonganj. कहा जाता है जहाँ चाह है वहाँ राह है. Where there is a will, there is a way. And today we are witnessing this as we visited this place with Bishop Theodore, the auxiliary bishop of Ranchi and the apostolic administrator of Daltonganj, Father Ashok Nagesha, the parish priest of Garu parish, Father Sanjay Kid, director CCMB, Father Pradeep Bakla, the secretary of Daltonganj Diocese. It is said, education is a weapon which can mold one's life and also the nation. And this education aspect has to be taken seriously. But look at the present status of this village school and the great support and help that these school teachers with their limited cycle dedicating their lives for the better future of children is remarkable. As Bishop meets his school teacher and interact with the present problems that they are facing, and to know about their expectation and dreams to bring out this school is something great. This is a very difficult task to run the school. As you see, the entire village people have joined hands together to renovate and repair the rooftop of the house, mud house, so that during rainy season children do not face any problem and they can study well. So it's really where there is a unity and with a strength, and this is the example as bishop and other members of Latehar Diocese constantly interacting with these villages. We came to know more about the present day-to-day life problems. After a short visit, as we started proceeding towards our destination, these are the village people who have gathered here to render their service, their hands for the construction of this school. Some are very old, they can't even stand, but with their presence and with their suggestion, with their advice, they can support and represent the service. As we walk throughout the school, we see that this school also gives the support and the need and the children are well satisfied to do well. It's not only a matter of how we look at this school. Just think of the children with
12 kilometers.
proper arrangement.
अभी तो अच्छा है.
No proper benches and desks.
हम लोग इधर उधर रास्ता में फिर समझ रहे हो ना.